Hi guys, so welcome to and welcome back. This is another video of me not knowing what I'm doing, but trying. That's all you can do is try. So this is going to be a skirt and a top. So for those who are new to my channel, I only make clothes for myself. So they're not perfect. They're very much flawed, excuse me. But if you're looking for a more advanced channel that can teach you the proper way of sewing, then you will definitely find it here on YouTube. Not my channel, but here on YouTube. So yeah, just wanted to give that disclaimer. But yeah, I'm just trying, y'all. I just wanted to be a little bit more independent and be able to put clothes on my body if I, needed to or wanted to. You know what I mean? Like if I was ever in a position where I had to make my own clothes, then I would have some idea of how to do it. But and the next outfit coming up is right here. So if you want to see that next video, go ahead and subscribe. It's I learned by trial and error. So I record the process of both trial and error. So if this is something that you I don't know, find entertaining to watch somebody, basically take baby steps into the sewing world, then yeah, this is the channel for you. But if you're actually needing to know how to do it, then it may be very frustrating. But again, this is not how we do it. This is how I do it. Okay. So this outfit is definitely giving summer vibes. It's giving, it's giving skin. It's giving a little bit too much. But y'all, just follow the journey. Just trust the process. Follow the journey. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna be stitching and I'm gonna be making clothes and it's going to look fly. It's going to be cute. It's going to be excellent quality, great value, all that. Not great value as in Walmart, but